Hello and welcome to this Arduino Bluetooth step-by-step guide. This is Educational Engineering Team. And to know more about us, you can head to Udemy and search for Educational Engineering Team. We are a team of skilled engineers sharing knowledge with the world. We are looking to deliver high quality engineering content including courses, articles, lessons, and online support for all of engineering students from all around the world, under the name of Educational Engineering Team. That team also work as freelancer engineers, helping many students in their graduation projects and gave many courses about engineering topics. We are also a board member of the Microsoft.NET Club team at Al-Azhar University. We founded Inkbal team, a team that makes workshops and courses with reduced cost to help students understand and develop their skills. We have around 10,000 students, as you can see here. We have 25 courses and 190 review. As you can see, our courses are about electronics, microcontroller, Bluetooth, big microcontroller, Arduino, circuit design, and simulation. In addition to Raspberry Pi and other interesting topics, you can check our courses here in the Udemy website. You can also check our website eduengwd.com/en, where you will find new engineering course articles and best deals for our courses. And this course, we will help you connect your Bluetooth module with Arduino and make a control program so that you can control anything from your mobile phone. Let's say a light, a house. You can use this tutorial to make home automation possible. It will help you a lot, we are sure, and you will enjoy this course. Thanks for watching this introduction. See you inside.